गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड जीत गई भाई फाइनली। भाई भाई मेरा एफपीएल भी बचा दिया भाई रोनाल्डो ने। मैंने लास्ट वीक रोनाल्डो लिया था सोच के भाई मारेगा इन द व्हाट यू कॉल द न्यू कैसल गेम, हैट्रिक तो मारेगा। प्रेडिक्शन 6-0 की थी। बट भाई वो तो जो लिंटन को बेस्ट मिडफील्डर बनाने में चले हुए थे तो आज भाई रोनाल्डो ने मारा तो अच्छा खासा पॉइंट मिल गया, तो मतलब बच गए भाई। 50 पॉइंट्स तो बन ही गए मेरे। बट कमिंग बैक टू द गेम, Manchester United 3, Burnley 1. McTominay won the game, bro. That is a rare thing that we, as a Manchester United fan, say कि भाई McTominay dominate कर रहा है भाई गेम। भाई मतलब see, it's an insult to Burnley, to be honest. You know, McTominay is dominating the game. Like, I still don't think McTominay is the player, even though if he has some fucking good games, that's cool. You know, every player has a good day, and I think Fred is the better player out of both of them. McTominay has a good shot shooting range. That's his plus point, and I can't take it away from him because he has been doing this for a long time. He's been consistent enough to score goals from the midfield. He has done in the Arsenal game, Leeds, West Ham, Watford. There are so many games that I have seen him score from that spot, which Fred hasn't. So here's the drawback, all right. But as a midfielder, maybe Ragnick improves him. Maybe Ragnick puts him and make him play as a footballer. But यार मतलब अब तुम यार बाकी टीम के मिडफील्डर्स देखो ना। अब तुम यार ऑब्वियसली एवरी मैन यूनाइटेड फैन विल बी लाइक कि हाँ भाई जीत गए, अच्छा है, टॉप 4 के लिए है। बट यार एक बार जाके मैन सिटी का गेम देखो भाई, और कुछ नहीं बोलता हूँ मैं, मैन सिटी का गेम देखो ब्रो। क्या गेम खेलते हैं, क्या गेम खेलते हैं ब्रो। मतलब क्या अब कटिंग बॉल्स निकालते हैं भाई। एंड यू नो व्हाट, द फर्स्ट पास दैट शॉट इनटू रोनाल्डो, जो आउटसाइड कर्लर से, क्या भाई क्या बॉल था वो। एंड दैट इज मैन सिटी लेवल फुटबॉल, एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी शुड बी एस्पायरिंग फॉर। तो हाँ भाई, मैकटोमिने का अच्छा गेम था। मैं बहुत बायस्ड फैन नहीं हूँ। आई आई सी दैट ही हैज प्लेड अ गुड गेम। रोनाल्डो ने भी गोल इसलिए मारा बिकॉज मैकटोमिने हैड अ वेरी गुड शॉट ऑन द टारगेट, and it was saved and just bounced off the post and Ronaldo scored. But except that, he did control the game. But ये Burnley के साथ ही है। Like Klopp said, Burnley doesn't have players who will play international football. Yeah. They have players who have been playing football for 300 400 games, or हमें, and you as a football fan won't know about them until the commentator says them। इतना अंडररेटेड बोल सकते हैं, या इतना अननोन प्लेयर्स हैं उनके पास, एंड उनके पास जाके इफ यू इवन फक इट, you score a hat trick also, no, it won't mean large parlance to the game, because as a player you have to develop in a way that you are effective in every fucking game, और मैक्टोमिने में नहीं है। टुडे गेम वाज गुड यार। मैं सेकंड हाफ तो बहुत अच्छा कंट्रोल किया। फर्स्ट हाफ वाज लिटिल बिट स्लॉपी, एंड मैगवायर नीड टू गो ब्रो। ना, मैगवायर नहीं चलेगा। रैवनिक देख ले भाई, मैगवायर को हटा दे भाई। भाई वरान बना दे भाई। वरान इज द थिंग, बिकॉज भाई वरान का अगर होएगा, both of them are very fast, both of them are very agile, and both of them are good defender, and Bai can defend, you see he can defend। and नहीं तो लिंडलॉफ को तो खिला ही सकते हो भाई। लिंडलॉफ has been amazing this season। oh, this is the first time David De Gea hasn't had to make 7 saves to save us the fucking game, so that's there। तो हाँ, and I feel Ragnick का इफेक्ट है। इवन दो पीपल सेड दैट कि Ragnick का इफेक्ट नहीं है, नो ब्रो, ही इज वर्किंग दीज गाइज हार्ड। यू सी हाउ वैन बिसाका एंड लूक शॉ वर्कड सो हार्ड, fought for the ball, you know I mean, it's Burnley but still they are fighting for the ball। वैन बिसाका is making cross runs, भाई वो राइट से लेफ्ट आ गया, and I was like, somebody is teaching you that, and that is Ragnick। So Klopp, Tuchel, Guardiola, all of these good managers prefer wing backs, कि एक जगह ट्रेंट भाग रहा है, एक जगह एंडी रॉबिन्सन, देयर इज दिस जाओ कैंसेलो, एंड काइल वॉकर। सो रीस जेम्स एंड बेन चिलवेल का तुमने देखा ही है. सो दिस इज व्हाट ही इज ट्राइंग टू डू एंड लूक शॉ हैज मेड दैट outgoing run so many times because that's how modern football is to be played, because you have to play on your fullbacks so that your winger and the other winger can either cut in and be a support system, and then they transition into a play where they have the space to do something with it. Like if you're जैसे अब लूक शॉ भागा है, ठीक है, तो इधर से रोनाल्डो भाग रहा है, ठीक है, उसके साइड से कवानी भाग रहा है. सो यू आर टेकिंग 3 or 4 डिफेंडर्स राइट आउट ऑफ द प्ले. दे आर प्रे ऑक्युपाइड विद कवानी, रोनाल्डो एंड ऑन द अदर साइड ग्रीनवुड. सो 2 सेंटर बैक तो उधर लग गए, एक इधर लग गया, तो जो सैंचो के साइड में होएगा ही विल कम टुवर्ड्स द लूक शॉ साइड. दैट मीन्स सैंचो बिकम्स फ्री and then that's how you pull off the play. And that's what we used there. And even Aaron Van Bissaka was defending तो अच्छा किया bro. Defending में तो कुछ बोल नहीं सकते bro. He's he can defend, but today his attacking outplay was sensible. He wasn't running haywire. But then again we have defense frailties, big frailties. Matic, yeah, he's there, but बूढ़ा हो गया bro. अभी दिख रहा है because he doesn't have the space. It's not that he can't play, he can play ball, but it's just his age factors is coming in. Sancho was good. Sancho a goal. I think it was Sancho a goal. I don't know why they gave it to fucking Ben Mee, scoring his 5th goal, own goal of his career. But it was good build-up play, and you can see Sancho is coming out like that player. अब ये पता है यूनाइटेड में हर ये दिक्कत हो जाती है, अगर एक साइड में प्लेयर है तो एक साइड में लॉप साइड हो जाता है. नाउ ग्रीनवुड को तुम बना रहे हो विंगर. आई मीन ऑब्वियसली ही इज अ यंग प्लेयर, यू कैन ट्रांजिशन विद इट, बट वी डोंट हैव अ विंगर लाइक Sancho. Put Rashford there, but then Rashford is also wasteful. Rashford is not playing the way he is supposed to be. I think Rashford should be sold. ठीक है, to be honest. क्या है भाई, कर दो ना. मतलब बहुत टाइम से है. आई नो ही इज बॉर्न एंड ब्रेड मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड, बट इफेक्टिवनेस नहीं है ना यार मार्कस राशफोर्ड के अंदर. पहले था इंजरी, चलो ठीक है, इंजरी से वापस आया. अब हो रहा है कि भाई इंजरी का रिहैबिलिटेशन की वजह से ऐसा खेल रहा है. कब खेलेगा भाई ऐसे? तो we need a fucking one more winger, one more creator. I think somehow in the parlance we did miss Bruno Fernandes, but we did create chances. Now there's one more thing I want to talk to you about is Cavani and Martial. Okay? I know why I want to talk to you about Martial and Cavani is because Cavani को देखा है किसी ने खेलते हुए. The way the amount of graft he puts in. I'm telling you, Klopp will play him in the team. Guardiola will play him in the team. You know why? Because Cavani is such a player who gives it everything. He's defending also. At the same time, he's running forward and linking up with you for the for the goal. He will be there playing with you for the goal, and that's Cavani for you. Cavani never lets his pace down. He's working, grind, and that's what Klopp wanted out of Roberto Firmino. You have seen so many times Roberto Firmino not doing anything leading up to the goal, but he is very crucial for covering up the spaces and making those runs, and it's an indirect play which opens up that passage of play. So Cavani is an indisposable asset. And we look fluid when we play Cavani up top. Now, I think 4-2-2 काम नहीं करेगा, इतना तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ, because we have got primarily Bruno Fernandes as a cam. I don't think he can switch into an inverted winger and do the stuff. Like he's not a Mohamed Salah type of player. So he's a De Bruyne. So that has to be sorted out. And who else got left? Yeah, I mentioned all of them. McTominay का गोल अच्छा था. Ronaldo, Tapin, Yusu, Alex Ferguson, happy birthday. It's your 80th birthday, so thank you for all the memories that you have given us. And yeah, that's it. I'm just not too hopeful because it's United. Arsenal हमारे से ऊपर है, so that's something we have to see. And they are 35. Even if we win our games, we are at 34. So that's a concern. Thankfully, they are playing Man City. So hopefully they will drop points. So yeah, and Ragnick है यार, Ragnick करेगा. There's these reports which came in that players don't want to train after 5 and shit. What kind of bullshit is that, man? So 300 grand per week, bro. Come on. We are crafting your 9 to 5. Okay, we are coming home at going home at 9 o'clock, coming back at 9 o'clock. So at least as a footballer, you can do that. पैसे तो मिल ही रहे, ये भी कर लो. What happened to job console should not be happening. बहुत खराब लगा देख के. And yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. Cheers. GGMU.